Hello students, welcome to the channel. This video is for my new students, that is of 11th class, and all those who wants to learn Python from the scratch. And I have uploaded one video related to all the IDLEs provided by Anaconda Distribution. So if you have not gone through that video, so go through that, and we are going to start practical from today's session. I am going to use Jupyter Notebook, which I personally feel very comfortable with. You can find I have already opened the Jupyter Notebook, and in this video we will only going to start the basic practical, in which I will tell you how to display simple messages on the output screen, how to display calculated data on the output screen, and how can you use print statement in various ways. So let's start the practical. So if you want to print something on the screen, there is a function called print. Inside this print function, you have to write the statement whatever you want to display on the screen, that the output you want to provide to the user. So whatever you are going to write, you have to use quotes for it. Single quote or double quote, both are allowed in Python. I am using single quote and I am writing a string inside this single quote. So for the first program, I am just writing hello world. This is the basic program to display something on the screen. Let's run the program. Here you can see hello world has been displayed on the output. Whatever is going to displayed outside this box is the output window. So let's write few more lines here. Now I have written two print statements one by one. After running the program, you can see it has displayed the first text which was written in the first print statement. Then it displayed the second text which was written in the second print statement. In whatever order you write your code, it is going to execute in that order only. So if you want to display I am new to programming first or before hello world, then you have to write this print statement before the hello world print statement. So this is how order matters in programming. I have written two lines of code, and in the order in which order you have written the code, it is going to be executed in that order only. And B, if you want to display this value of A, so inside the print statement you have to write the text, whichever text you want to display, the value of A is. After is, you want to display the value of A, whatever stored in this A variable. So after comma, write the name of the variable. Now notice this thing, I have not written this A inside the quotes. Why? Because I want to display the value of A. If you write it within quotes, then what happens? It will become a string and it is going to be printed as it is on the output screen. Here you can see the value of A is A. It has displayed A, not the value of A. If you want to display the value which is stored inside this variable, then you have to write it outside the quotes. So here you can see the difference. It has displayed the value of A, not A as a character. So whatever you write within quotes, it will be displayed as it is, and whatever you write outside the quote, that means the variables or the equation, that data is going to be displayed. If you write A plus B here, then it is going to add these two variables and display the result. See, 4 plus 6, 10 is going to be displayed. So this is how you can create your print statement. You can uh, uh, give message to the user. Now again I am writing another print statement for difference I want to display, that means A minus B, and then I want to display product is going to be A star B. Now for multiplication you have to use asterisk symbol. There is no multiplication symbol. Asterisk symbol is used for multiplication. And for division, we will study about these operators in detail afterwards. I am just giving you a brief introduction, not the product. Now let's give the quotient. Quotient is going to be A divided by B. This is division symbol. So this is how you can display various output on the output screen. ये थोड़ा चेंज करते हैं हम टोटल. So whatever you write inside this code, it is going to be displayed on the output screen. It is for decoration purpose or to provide some message to the user, to make your program more interactive. See, I have changed the output after changing print statements. Now if you want to write all these 4 statements under single print statement, that is also possible. You need to write only one print statement, and after that print statement let me copy the content from here and I am displaying it here. You have to maintain the comma separation between string and variables. Comma must be there or you will face errors. Now there is no need of these 4 print statements. I am just removing them. Let's run the program. Here you can see it is displaying all the calculated values but in a single line because I have used single print statement. So it has displayed everything in a single line. What I can do, I can write SCP is equal to n. /n is a new line character. New line character will display every calculated or every string, every comma separated value in next line. This is called a separator. But I don't want to separate these values. Total, this 10 must be displayed in front of total string and -2 must be in front of difference. So I am going to remove this separator from here. What else I can do? I can insert a new line character before difference and another new line character before product. Product I have got twice, so I am removing one from here. Okay. And also notice one thing, new line character is always inside the quotes. It is not going to be written outside quote because it is called a character, new line character. It must be inside quotes. So let's run the program now. This is how you can create output in various lines using single print statement also. I am going to show you few more variations of print statement. Suppose this is what I have written here. Because I have used a second print statement, so it is going to be displayed afterwards, after the finish of this print command. So it is going to be displayed in the next line, always in the next line. But if I am using different print statements, but I want to display all the outputs on the single line, then what we can do? Suppose I am writing here total, only this thing, then I am writing print a plus b. Okay, I am using two print statements here, so it will display total. In the next line it will display a plus b result. But if you want this a plus b to be in front of this total string, then you can use another attribute, that is AND attribute, and keep it empty. So this is how you can modify the output, because by default every print statement ends with a new line character. That means whenever a print statement ends, a new line character automatically gets inserted on the output screen, and next print statement is going to be print on the next line. But if you want to if you don't want to insert a new line character, then you can use this AND attribute inside print statement and write whatever you want to write here. Suppose in this AND attribute I am using comma, then what will happen? It will insert an comma after this total. Or if suppose I want to use equals to, so it will insert equals to. So I think for today you have to practice this much print statements using and separator, using various variables and displaying on the output screen. And if there you will find any kind of doubt, if any kind of doubt you are having, you can ask in the comment box or you can contact. Thank you.